Hey there, it's Ministry of Wellness and welcome to our channel. Are you tired of feeling self-conscious about your belly fat? Are you looking for an easy and effective way to get a flat stomach? Look no further, because we have the perfect solution for you. Yoga is a great way to target your abdominal muscles and give you the flat stomach you desire. Yoga has been practiced for thousands of years. It is a holistic approach to improve physical and mental well-being. Practicing yoga regularly can help you reduce stress, increase flexibility, and improve your overall health. Imagine how great it will feel to wear that cute dress you've had your eye on, without feeling self-conscious about your belly. With our 3-minute yoga routine, you'll not only achieve a flat stomach but also improve your overall health and well-being. It is a quick and easy routine that you can do in the comfort of your own home, without the need for any equipment. The first recommendation on our list is Flatten, where you lie on your stomach and lift your upper body while engaging your abdominal muscles. The second is Flatten and its variations such as bending sideways, bending forward, and backwards. Third, we have Konasana, where you spread your shoulders and twist your abdomen while bending down and looking up. Fourth on our list is Pavan Muktasana and its variations, including one leg and both legs. Lastly, we have Standing Hastpadangosthasana, which involves standing straight and lifting one leg at a time while holding the toe and twisting the abdomen. These exercises will target your abdominal muscles and help you achieve a flat stomach. Quick tip: don't forget to watch what you eat. Cut down on fast food, drinks, and opt for healthier options. Remember, it's not about counting calories. It's about burning the calories. Always remember that belly fat is not just a cosmetic issue. It can lead to serious health problems like heart disease, diabetes, and asthma. So, take care of yourself, not just for the way you look, but for your overall well-being and the well-being of those around you. Be a responsible and healthy role model for everyone. Let's all strive for a flat belly and a healthy lifestyle. We hope you found this video helpful and that you are excited to start your fitness journey. Remember, fitness is not a magic pill that you take once and you're done. It's a lifelong practice that takes time and patience. But with consistent effort, you'll start to see the benefits in no time. Thank you for watching. Namaste, and see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on meditation and wellness.